So in this lecture, let's see a brief history of artificial intelligence with deep learning. So if you notice here, you can see perceptron is not new, right? So it was there in 1957 itself, but you can see from 2010 onwards, there is an exponential growth. And we solved a problem called vanishing gradient descent. That is when the deep learning became so popular around this time. And Transformer was introduced by Google in 2017. So that's when the growth started exponentially, because without Transformer there is nothing. So using transformers, they started creating these small language models or large language models like these GPTs, right? So that is the brief history of AI. So you can see the growth from the birth of AI to the perceptron and CNN, convolutional neural network, and GAN networks, transformers, and chat GPTs, right? So this is the brief history of artificial intelligence, and we will discuss the architecture behind these large language models, that is transformer, in detail in the coming lectures. All right, thank you.